Yeah.
A couple of times on top rope. But
Yeah, and then
like
ropes
the rope
the
is
pain in the ass,
kinda
dude.
moves.
Oh.
Yeah, I've never had a problem with the boulders, other than the gym. But yeah, that was fun. I would always, I made a little paracord thing to kind of hang on to them when I was doing more rope.
Nice one, Sam.
The top rope, getting in there and just grabbing your.
For sure, man.
Come on, get the high foot. Come on. A little more. A little more.
Mario.
You got it. You got it. Hold it. Hold it. Breathe. You got it. You got it.
Nice.
There it is. There it is.
That's better.
Good stroke.
Really?
Nice.
Yeah.
Breathe.
Deep breaths.
Breathe.
You made it.
Come on.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
You got
Nice.
it. Come on. Nice.
You're there. You're there. There it is. And you're done.
I was so scared of a foot popping at the top.
Yeah.
It's not done yet.
It's
Yeah,
just a
you got
three.
it. You got it.
Right?
Woo!
Top.
This way.
And it's over.
Hell yeah.
Nick.